shit from block to block. It don't stop till we see the cops moving to a better spot. Hip hop won't stop, pop, lock, and break, maybe even skate. I get my take with the flesh breaks, bringing real Spanish and damage. Those who imitate, try to emulate, but they fake. Got your cage, penetrate, stimulate. With a sound they love to hate. Put your hands in the sky, no lie, it feels good. And my track gets props in the roughest neighborhoods.